Upper Miguel, you do 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8 some. Cause we do prep talk. Truth come out. So in order for him getting in order for him getting on my head, that's in him head first. So Mr. Tell me the truth. But what? I say about everything. Everything, I mean everything, no left out no detail. I mean I wait. Cause since you want me tell you the truth. Since you want me tell you the truth about people, come I talk to one little felly. Me that talk to one little felly. Come I tell you exactly how the story go. Me that hide and joke one little felly. And him want to know the truth. Him did want to know the truth about the little felly. So I make him know, so tell me the truth. But when I say everything, because you can't get in my head and I go back in a fear one. That's what I know earth run. You in my head, I in back in a your one. So I say, me I wait for you for tell me the truth until you talk, me talk. Because if you don't talk, me not talk. And him say, boy, and him take a deep breath in and draw out. And him spilling beans. The one thing, the one digga thing. The one digga thing him never tell me is where him grind my mother, you know. But him tell me say him grind, but him never tell me where. But if you up a Miguel yard, you know all of them. It's a nastiness. Don't come here, I don't know if I'm no. I don't like a little girl. Me eat you like pies, you don't even know. I don't like a bone to make you. I say if you ever make me ego rise, reach out and see you for a long time. You know you can't ramp up on the media. Come will find you. And you know exactly what I will do. I remember when I come for you, I not ask you no question. As I reach the start, you know you're not going to ramp with me over here. You can never up me amount. Me will never good. Me will never, ever good. Never. I was there in the last week, somebody called me up and me know say, they what away me from good source say, Drake's to grind la marsh. It's a long time. They hear me after the story, things I joke and make, you don't know my face up. I never know so true yet. It's a long time. For you 14. If them do one on Miguel Drake so that they are prison. But when I go down to that in La Marsha, I am a nasty, wicked, liar girl. A long time you stay so. Long time. I don't like you. I don't like your mama neither. I don't like your mama neither. Your mama will know why I don't like her. Drake start grinding a friend from the friend about 17. Happy and age pitney, you know. She come out come say, she never know. But she come out come say, she never know. She come out come say, she never did know. Now when she find out, she realize that them not gonna stop, so she just leave them. I mean, myself say, that even make no sense. Because as I can thoroughly remember, you used to come in the yard, come sleep when you breed, and the girl was friend. When you have your baby there, Portmore used to come in the yard, on and off, and the girl was friend. When a baby reach a certain age, and you live at the yard for a couple months, well, you and the girl was friend. You and that girl have been was friend long time ago. You know how everything's what happening. You know what unfold, you know where it take place. Remember one day I wake up, but after 12 I go to one. My mother sit down side of up. My mother sit down side with the machine there. She sit down on my gaming chair on the veranda. She spread one sheet on the ground. All are dead with her baby and throw them out there chat with Jakes. Wake up and peep through the window. You ever look at the window, me I peep through the window and me I watch the whole 4 of them for a good while. Me I watch body language. Cause when me stay, you know, you see when me discover things, me listen to ear say, no time at all. That can't work a quote. Me listen to ear say, that cannot work a quote. That can't work a quote. No time at all. Your honor, me ear say, what is that? You have to know something. So, when somebody tell us something, all you have to do is sit down, analyze it, look into what the person say, and try to discover what you can discover. I stand up at the door, I stand up at the window. I stand up at the window, I look through the window. Or I look through the window. In Billa weed and in gear. I throw them out, then I peer. And I watch him, my mama, and I watch them. Them don't know some wake up all now, you know. When them done bill weed and La March of the weed. When them done bill weed and La March of the week and go back to the weed board, I say him almost don't do him a do them come back and sit up on the settee. Just sit down, I'm not saying just sit down. Him come in. You'll marshal. Jake's pass a fan. It a go use. They make sure say, oh, June wake. I'm not shy, me not idiot. Me not idiot. When you say him say Jake's pass the fan. And them say it a go use. Here now, oh, June wake. So me I say, what is this? Him start grind back one and one. But me have to know which one I want him start grind back. Is either you, my mama, or your friend. So you know I start do now. I start do it from a long time, you know. Cause true me know say me used to grind and she come there. I start taming she with money. I start taming she with money. I start taming my mother with money. I taming them so. Them not for take it from him and grind him feet because them can't come beg me willingly. And them the options them open up to them. But I pity me no know say him and that girl had a long time. Because somebody look at me and tell me one time, say, no, them post up on CV mix up side, you know, say, him used to grind Claudia. I know him a grind Alan. I told him a friend. So me I said, no, sir. But think it over the night and me not say nothing. Stop come on social media, come pretend as if me like you. Look, girl, me don't like you. Me only deal with you. Because there's a father up above. Me will never good. Never, ever good. Never under life. I you double cross me more than one time. Never. So when you sit down over here and tell right you, but oh, you not grind Jakes. Jakes tell me the day when she get analyze them grind you, me mama, me auntie, everybody, and it in my back of my head from them time there. So you're only lying to yourself. Man been tell me that. That's why I'm not like you. And that's on Bible. That's why I'm not like you. I'm not like you, you know. Me want to chat to you because certain circumstances. Me not like a bone to make you. Every day I look by you all. It's all Chantal birthday. You want some of corner you or you're evil. Only them all on all condemnation. You still on your wear my things. You still on your wear my things. You still sleep all in my bed. I just left you. Cause that you call dog to no one of vomit. I can't falter in a life. Cause my dog on out and turn on the own vomit. I can't falter in a life. The man tell me same grind. You. Everybody. And you know what is ironic? The ironic story. Me not like, but I use a word out of ironic. But you know who use it because it's so nice to use. You know what is ironic? Just a present of mine, I just have to me say. I feel like that you miss a grind you. And I'm going to take Alia, you and him and Alia the threesome. And that's why you have to keep the story in contact. You're nasty. You and I have to keep the story in contact because you're nasty. But upon the phone with Angela, if I see you, my wicked mama come. And see they know. And Jakes, all the while Jakes will come fight me. So we come on my door, we come tell me, say, me no want you here, say. And yeah. One night, him and Ali are there in your grandpa your bed. I Owen hear them in there. And when Owen hear them in there, him come out and war me and Owen. I told her, Mr. Tour say no. You know my mouth bad. Mr. move in front of me. I mean, Mr. the man tell me same grind you too. She don't say another word. Mr. move in front of me. We had give me them the information for. Mr. remember the man tell me same grind you too. She don't say another word. Top company come call me name, look a girl. Me not like you. Me not like you. Me not like your mama. Me only deal with you know. Because what? Certain circumstances. But me not like you know. Because your grind Jakes when you're 14. Your grind Jakes when you're 14, you breed when you're 17. I'ma still sit down and give you all the one I can give you when you breed for your pitney. That does for show you what kind of art me have against you. And I just one thing you need to do, you know. My sister, it happened already. I'm sorry, because I did young. That's all I need to do, you know. My sister, I just that more for my little girl, you know. I just that more for my little girl for just complete back the chain, so. I just that more for my little girl for just complete back the chain. I say, all right then. She says she's sorry. She make mistakes in life. She never come to me and say, my sister, It happened already, it done happen already. Me can't do nothing about it, I'm sorry. That's all. Nothing no go so. Every day, nothing no go so. Every day. I should even come and say my sister, you know, say don't I'm already. Now I'm sure when I give you my when me pregnant I give you my money towards your child. Me never gave to that, me never gave to that ever heart. Me gave to that warm opening arms. Because me can't me not have it like that, but me have one little pocket change in my pocketbook. I'm going to say, all right then, you're pregnant and have it like that. All the money I go buy baby clothes. All the money I go hospital. All this, all that, all this, all this, all that, all that, all that. And when I ring my phone, I say, my sister, you know, I want to feed, I say, come. I never tell her no yet. When I come and stay, so I say, you want, I say, come. Come feed. And every single day, you're looking at me and you tell pure lie. You lie like sure. I don't know how to lie, so. And you tell lie for fun. And a long time your life, and you're pitney, you're lied. A period like you walk and tell you lie bad and it travel through you when you're big. Come on know what you feel like say. All what you do, you know you come over here, come do the other day. You come over here, come go like you want to mash up my platform. Oh, me and him never do that. He come like a brother to me, cooks him cook sorry you know. She there for the Sunday. She there for the Sunday, I'm cook and she eat. When she leave me give her my money. Not to say that me appear for tell lie, but to show her that I have your back 110%. Come in a pin a guy for tell a lie for me, come in a walk and tell a lie. Cause what I don't know. She eat my food, she there. You're there, you hear me attack in the same house, yeah. I'm gonna tell her what she mean, you know. You're there in my house and me attack. And if I lie, look pa me and say, stay no so nothing go so. No. You're there in my house now, you hear me attacking and I know you not up me your mouth. She show me one message. Not send show. She show me one message where I trying to be father still write the star text. As she reach her yard Monday, she grows the string. Nothing done got so. And Jake's coming like a brother to me. And I say, watch ya, here, wicked heart. You hear me now that I'm my mind now, no? Pie's a gripper. When she reach her sea view. Him done, come tell her what to say. Oh, I come here to talk my truth to the man alive, you know. And him alone did do it. The whole scheme, no. La Marsha, me and you know the whole scheme, know the story. Me and you know the whole scheme, know the story. Because when I time it did stink in the area. And me make you could walk with you. And me make you could walk with your head high in that ass. Me. Because when the story happen and everything unfold, when the story happen, you know, because why, you know, the story happen, you know, because them been up there with them nasties, you know. The man do construction, the man do a long time, the man now mind in Pitney. The man do construction work and I get all 30,000, 40,000 of him pay. And when him come home from work and get paid, him give me $8,000. I find up a Miguel yard and I buy a front from La Marsha for all 10, 15, 14, 13,000. Every pay week. I'm still long, I'm listen to the I'm still long, I'm watch, you know. I'm observe, I'm listen to the conversation them. This up does a listen and watch, you know. Every pay week. Him come and get all 140,000, 30,000. Him get all 36,000, 38,000. 35, $8,000. I'm go buy a front from them. I say, well, my mind, wow. And she not understand, you know, she not understand when she grind her auntie man, you know. And the auntie man tell me, say my grind her, you know. I like she up there, she can't take it no more. So him start bust out pan them. So when him start bust out pan them, him send out a video when I come in her mouth. And I hit me car gas station for the little girl. And him have to run away. And when him have to run away, him tell him, say him now go down. Jakes have to go with him too, because Jakes was involved. Him now go down alone. Say him walk around the whole district and walk and spread it. Say he was involved in all of the nastiness from at all the time. I'm going to tell myself, say, I'm looking to myself, you know, if you're guilty of all charge, you have to face the consequences. So I don't know why don't go, we're going over here and them terrorists I don't want to talk about her. Because I don't really want me to have nothing to cook, girl. I tell you the honest truth. You have to miss, you know, have to miss so many things in her life more than I said, my family, I'm afraid of people. Even more. Because I tell you, say, you can't trust nobody. Because even your own family, them do you the worst. And them are your own flesh and blood. Because girl, me not like a bone in you. Me not like a bone in you. I used to them used to come and say, your sister wicked. Me say, no, know that a long time. We know you're evil. We know. We just leave you. Because you can't change, you know. And you will never change. And you just sit down and act so innocent all the time. I can see right through you. Me know you. Me know you're lying, wicked, you're evil. Me not come argue with you. When you're over here, and you do your thing, don't call me name. Come and never see you. I tell you the honest truth. It's if you look up and rock you and them say Rose, me no want to talk about that. Me no want to house I put my name in on a banger, war banger.
Thanks for watching, guys. Leave your thoughts and comments below.